Welcome to Sam Tech. Today, we're exploring the incredible impact of modern machinery on various industries. These advanced technologies are not just tools but catalysts for innovation and efficiency. Join us as we delve into how machines are transforming our work and driving growth in ways we never imagined. Machine learning is revolutionizing the finance industry by automating investment strategies and improving decision-making. Algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and predict market movements, enabling more accurate and timely investment. Financial institutions that harness machine learning can enhance portfolio management, reduce risk, and achieve better returns, driving growth in a competitive market. Robotic surgery is at the forefront of medical innovation, offering unprecedented precision in procedures. These machines assist surgeons by providing enhanced control and accuracy, resulting in fewer complications and faster recovery times for patients. As robotic surgery becomes more widespread, healthcare providers can improve patient outcomes and expand their surgical capabilities. Industrial automation is transforming manufacturing by streamlining processes and reducing human error. Automated assembly lines, robotic welders, and CNC machines ensure consistent quality and faster production times. Companies that adopt industrial automation can increase output, lower costs, and remain competitive in a rapidly evolving market. Smart home technology is making everyday life more comfortable and efficient. From automated lighting and climate control to smart security systems, these machines allow homeowners to manage their environment with ease. By integrating smart home devices, people can save energy, reduce costs, and enjoy a more convenient lifestyle. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing marketing by enabling personalized customer experiences. AI-driven tools analyze consumer behavior to deliver targeted content, offers, and recommendations. This personalization increases customer engagement and loyalty, helping businesses attract and retain customers, ultimately driving revenue growth. Advanced materials such as carbon fiber, graphene, and nanocomposites are pushing the limits of design in manufacturing. These materials offer superior strength, flexibility, and durability, allowing for the creation of innovative products that were previously impossible. By leveraging advanced materials, manufacturers can produce high-performance goods that meet the demands of modern consumers. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, advanced cybersecurity solutions are essential for protecting businesses. Machines equipped with AI and machine learning detect and respond to threats in real time, safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring operational continuity. Companies that invest in cybersecurity can mitigate risks and build trust with their customers. Automation is transforming the retail industry by enhancing the shopping experience and improving operational efficiency. Automated checkout systems, inventory management robots, and personalized marketing tools streamline processes and reduce costs. Retailers that embrace automation can offer better service, increase sales, and stay ahead of the competition. Virtual reality is revolutionizing the real estate industry by offering immersive property tours. Potential buyers can explore homes and commercial spaces from anywhere in the world, making the purchasing process more convenient and efficient. Real estate agents who adopt VR technology can attract more clients and close deals faster, driving growth in their business. The Internet of Things, IoT, is optimizing farm operations by connecting machines and devices to monitor and manage. Agricultural processes. IoT sensors track soil conditions, crop health, and equipment performance, enabling farmers to make data-driven decisions. By adopting IoT, farms can increase efficiency, reduce waste, and improve crop yields. Automation is enhancing supply chain management by improving efficiency and reducing errors. Automated warehouses, delivery drones, and AI-driven logistics platforms ensure that goods are stored, tracked, and delivered with precision. Companies that implement automation in logistics can meet customer demands more effectively and expand their market reach. Advanced construction equipment is enabling the industry to build smarter and faster. Machines such as 3D concrete printers, autonomous bulldozers, and smart cranes streamline construction processes and improve project timelines. Construction companies that invest in advanced equipment can take on more projects and deliver higher quality results. Smart grid technology is revolutionizing energy distribution by making it more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. These systems monitor energy usage in real time, optimize power distribution, and integrate renewable energy sources. Utilities that adopt smart grid technology can reduce outages, lower costs, and meet the growing demand for clean energy. Artificial intelligence is speeding up the diagnostic process in healthcare by analyzing medical data with greater accuracy and speed than humans. High-powered tools assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and planning treatments. Healthcare providers that incorporate AI into the diagnostic processes can improve patient care and manage larger caseloads. Automation is ensuring quality and efficiency in food production by standardizing processes and reducing human error. Automated sorting, packaging, and quality control machines help food producers meet safety standards and deliver consistent product. By implementing automation, food companies can scale their operations and meet the demands of a growing population. Artificial intelligence is personalizing learning experiences in education by tailoring content to individual student needs. AI-driven platforms assess student performance and adapt lessons accordingly, ensuring that each learner receives the support they need to succeed. Educational institutions that adopt AI can offer more effective teaching methods and improve student outcomes. Robotics is enhancing the quality of life for the elderly by providing assistance with daily tasks and monitoring health. Robotic caregivers, mobility aids, and smart home systems help seniors live independently and safely. As the population ages, the demand for robotic elder care solutions will grow, driving innovation in this important field. Thanks for watching. We hope this video gave you a deeper understanding of how machines are driving change across industries. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Tech. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest technology trends. Until next time, keep embracing the future.